So has your washing machine stopped draining water and it's showing an error of E50? E35. So the solution, there might be something stuck on this one because I just opened mine. This is my washing machine, which is BEKO, this one, and have dismantled everything because it wasn't working. You know, you wash the you do your washing, but water will get stuck halfway. So I tried everything. I opened the draining tap, but nothing was showing up. So I had to dismantle everything, the washing machine, so that I can be able to locate the socks. You see, this is the socks that had a problem on my washing machine. So the washing machine, I just hope that it will work properly because I have checked all the drainage system. It's working. I had checked where the tap, around the tap, you see, down there, I had checked everything. I even used a wire to put something to try to unblock the sink, the pipes, but there was nothing. So at the moment, you can see what I've done, and it looks perfect now. If I've located the socks, have tried everything, you know, I was even trying to open this bolt, but it couldn't open this nut. Yeah, it's quite hard. So you have to remove this sock. So this ball was getting stuck due to these socks, and these things. I've just put my hand in here. You have to put your hand in here, and then you can pick everything that is. We have a hole here where I will put this back, though it will be quite a task, I know. Yeah, so I had to go to B&M and buy these nuts to be able to loosen that bolt. Yeah, so dismantling wasn't quite hard. I just checked on YouTube, but if you want me to make a video for that, I can do that for you guys. But at the moment, I will fix this all the machine back, and I'll show you how to do it. It's not hard, but this error was E35, which is quite rare for BEKO machine to do that. So with the E35, I checked on the internet. This new BEKO washer dryer BEKO machine, they don't have that kind of an error. But on LG machines, you can see E35. It means that the maybe the water system, the PC, they were saying the PC and the motor, maybe it's not working. But because my PC, it's an alternating current, it's an AC, not direct. You can. I was doing this, and I could feel that it's the correct motor system. So it was working. This was working. I tried to unclog everything. I tried to put a wire inside here, thinking the drainage pipe, it's the one which is broken, which is clogged, but there was nothing coming up. So I had to open to dismantle this thing. It has taken courage because this is um, the third week which I have been telling myself, oh, I will dismantle the washing machine, but I couldn't. I didn't have that courage of doing this. So at the moment, I accumulated the courage and I have done it. Yeah. So I will fix the washing machine with you guys watching. Uh, yeah, it's not quite hard. So that's it. So hold for me. Yeah, you show them what I'm doing, right? So where's the bolt? Okay. I need to fix this first. No, come closer. Come closer. First of all, I will fix this back because I had to remove it. I couldn't take the socks from down here, so I had to dismantle everything. So I'll have to fix this ball, this drainage pipe inside. Come here, closer. So that I want to fix them, and then you go down with me, okay? So that they, for them to see properly. You don't have enough light, but you can see here there is a pipe, so I will have to fix the ball back, and then I have to tighten with this nut. Is it a nut or how do you call it? Not sure. So let me do it. It's not an easy job, but now that you know these services, they're quite expensive, so you can do what you think, what saves money. Sourcing the services is quite hard. At the moment, you can fix by yourself. The washing machine, after just the warranty, that's when the washing machine got bad. So I was asking myself, what happened to this thing? Just immediately after my warranty is over, it's quite rare. So I'm just tightening this pipe so that's how it was though. It's not easy. So first of all you have to check your serial number. You can buy a spare part online. Yeah. But the easy way, when the water is clogging here, it means that, or the error E-35, it means that your machine cannot drain, or down here it's retaining water. So that's why you see the error E-35. So for me it was clogged by the socks. So it was the water was not draining, and it was getting clogged down here under the washing, under this basin, under the cylinder. So yeah. I think we are okay there. So I didn't have there was no need for me to remove the pipe. Come and show them the pump. So there was no need for me to remove the pump. Put this. Yeah, good. There was no need for me to remove the pump, so it was quite easy. You see, now I had removed this using a pliers. I will need to fix it back here. But I think fixing it, it's quite hard. This one, I'll have to do the same process that I did with my pliers. See, let's show them what I'm doing, because someone can help someone at home. So I don't have the correct tools, but it's up to you. You can do what you can try. What is easy. Don't cover the camera. Claire, come here. Come down here. It goes well without this one, so we just have to insert this back like that. Claire, yes, come closer, No, on my hand. You know I'm doing something here with the prayer.
Oh.
Yeah, and the people to see. You see down here what I'm doing? I'm trying to hold both sides. It's quite hard. It's not easy. Hey, my pliers has gone. It's gone mad. You're getting tired?
Yeah.
Yeah, almost done. Can only go one. Need to do it from here. See? It's not easy.
Can you hold now?
Eh?
Hold up.
Yeah, pause. Kata.